As a reminder, I am not a financial planner, nor is this financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. Let's see what's going on with the latest platform. Hi everyone, it's Gerald Cannon, and welcome back to the journey.
All right, everyone, we're over here on MetaTrades. We joined this platform about 3 days ago, and we're making $12 a day off of an initial deposit of $1,000. It does require a minimum withdrawal of $100 to do a withdrawal, so we're having to wait about every 9 days to do a withdrawal, everyone. Today is Friday, March the 1st, and this is a Monday through Friday paying platform. And as you can see, our balance now is $1,036 over here, and we have made $36 since we've been in the program. We're on what I would call my dashboard page, and when it comes time to withdraw funds, you can click this button right here. Right now it tells us we do not have any funds at the moment that we can withdraw, but that is how you would go about it, everyone. And if you want to deposit funds, you would stay on your overview page and you can click the deposit funds, and you see you can deposit Bitcoin, ERC20 or TRC20 on the USDT side of the house, Ethereum, BNB, or USDT on the Solana network. All right, everyone, let's head back over to the overview where it shows our confirmed deposit of $1,000. Let me click the trade to earn. Here are the different programs that you can participate on. I will go to the highest programs first, and they have a compound program that's paying 2.2% interest daily with a minimum deposit of $2,500. And the next program is a Trade Box 4.1 that's paying 2.5 daily interest, and it does require a $10,500 deposit, and you are making 12.5% weekly off of that investment. The next investment you see to the left is a 2%, and it's the Trade Box 3.5, and it is making 8% weekly money. 10% weekly money, and it does require a minimum $3,500 to join that particular program, everyone. Let's click back to the beginning where we'll pick up with the last two programs. They have a 1.6% program that's called the Trade Box 3.0, and your turnover is 8% weekly in that. 1.6 times 5 gives you that amount, and again a $1,500 minimum deposit. We jumped in on this Trade Box 2.0, and we're making 1.2% off of a deposit of $1,000. They have a profit calculator. You can jump in here and play around with that. All right, everyone, they also have a transfer option, and there's the invest option. When you put some money in here, you will go about picking your plans here. Let's say you pick this plan here, say choose this plan, and it'll tell you the plan selected, hit next, and then it's just be a matter of putting your money in there, everything. We're going to come over to the deposit history, or the history. We'll check deposit, and it shows on February the 27th, we deposited our USDT on the TRC20, and it shows you the amount over there. Again, that's bot history under deposits, and then you got the transfer, you got the withdrawal. We haven't completed any withdrawals yet, so you can see we don't have any history. And then we have others. So I'm not sure what others is telling you, but it is there. All right, everyone, we talked about this deposit area, and then they also have a trading area for your active bots, which shows our bot has made $36, everyone. And if we click on that, it also breaks it down and tells us that we can also top up this plan and move up to the next plan. Remember, the next plan required $500 more because it's a $1,500 plan. And let me come over here to that, and that would be this plan here, everyone. The $1,500 plan that is earning 1.6. Right now we're on the 1.2, everyone. Again, this is MetaTrades. I will be back on Monday to update you when my account should be sitting at $48. And I would say sometime in the next week or so, I will do my first withdrawal. And as long as there's no issues, I'll update you. If this is a platform you're looking to come in with, make sure you come in with risk capital and get ready to make that 1.2% off of a minimum deposit of $250, everyone. Make sure you take a look. I've been bringing quite a few new programs to the channel today, so make sure you take a look at some of those platforms, everyone. I've got some that require as little as $20 to get in and see if any of those fit your diversification needs, and only come to the table with risk capital. All right, everyone, until the next MetaTrades update, you all take it easy.
Everything that's happening here at The Journey, be sure and hit that subscription button if you have not already done so. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that bell to be notified of all future uploads. I will always leave links to the programs I am participating in under the video in the Show More area. If you'd like to move forward with any of those programs, be sure and take your time and do your due diligence prior to investing. Be sure and watch the video to the end, as I will link other videos. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch this video, and you all have a good day.